Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to reply to a message that one of your contacts has sent you on the Skype application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the chats icon down below, which is the first option, and then select a contact to whom you would like to send your reply. Click on its name, tap on the relevant message, hold your finger on it, and then select the second option, reply. Now you are ready to type in your answer and hit the button send next to it. As you can see, you have replied to his or her message. If you tap on your answer, you are going to be directed to that part of the of your message when him or her sent you this message. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.